In this video I'll show you how to sharpen pencils with a pencil sharpener and also with a knife. So the easiest way is to use a pencil sharpener. There are some really tiny ones that can make a lot of a mess here with the pieces of pencil leftovers. This style of pencil sharpener, it has a box like that, and it can keep inside all the sharpened pencils. As you see, this was used a few times before, and I have here two pencils. One is pretty good as new. It came from one of those Christmas crackers and it wasn't used. And then there is a sketching pencil, and this was used a few times to draw a few things. So you can use the pencil. I can use this pencil, for example. This is not really an important pencil, so I could do the unthinkable now and break the tip like this. If you press it too hard, it will break the tip. So now this pencil needs to be sharpened for sure, right? Okay, so trying not to make too much of a mess here. To use the pocket knife to sharpen a pencil, it's not gonna be very good looking, but the result will be usable. This is the Victorinox Tinker, and it's a very, very nice small Swiss Army knife that has all the things you need. And when you use a knife to sharpen a pencil, always move the knife away from you. Don't do it like this towards you, because you could really hurt yourself. So when you do this, you really do this at your own risk. You always do this away from you, and when you do it, actually you try to keep an angle, the same angle that the pencil has, this curvature like this, so that you don't change the shape of the pencil. So what I like to do, I like to put the edge of the knife, I like to put the edge of the blade here and then push it with I like to push it with my finger like this, not too much, and don't put too much pressure when you get close to don't put too much pressure when you go close to the edge of the pencil, because it could break the edge here. The lead of the pencil is very fragile and it could easily break. So I don't put any pressure here. I use my left arm finger, the big finger here, to give it nice shape. So I do this gently, especially when I'm close to the edge here. And here I do it very, very slowly. Like this. When you are close to finishing with the wooden part and you're only doing the lead of the pencil, just do very small, no pressure at all, fine strokes on the lead of the pencil. And there might be a side that has more wood. You can remove more on that side like this. I remove a bit more from here. As you can see, there is a bit of the pencil, lead and wood left over. So this is not a great clean way to do it. This is not the cleanest way to do it, and it's good to clean the pocket knife after you use it. Now the tip of this pencil is sharper, but it's not really ideal, but actually it's usable. You can use it as it is. Okay, so as it is now, this pencil, I can write with something with it. This is not the most clean way to do it, but I will show you now a better way to do it when you use the pencil sharpener. This tool is made for this, and especially you might have one that has two sizes, so it will do a standardized shape for this pencil. So let's try the small one, the large one. I think we could go with the small one on this here. And let's try. So as I spin it, it will remove some of the material from the pencil. You can see it inside there. It's already making it look much better than with the knife. And now it's starting to go closer to the end here. When it reaches the end, it's done. Already getting closer. And it might break this lead because it's a bit thick there. We'll see about that. I could try not to put too much pressure on it, so it does it smoothly, but also I'm in a bit of a hurry, so I will try to get it work faster. The more pressure you put on it, the faster it will do it. And it broke the lead. Let's try the bigger one. So the bigger one here. It's hard to make it so you see it also. It keeps going, keeps cleaning it. I think the bigger one will work better in this case. I don't really know how to use a pen sharpener. Pencil sharpener. Okay. Have to be careful now with the end here. This is the hard part. I think I might leave it like this before I break it again, or let's try to make it sharper. I think it's way too sharp, and even maybe too much. I did too much here. Okay, I think now it's fine. Okay, so now this pen is super sharp, even a bit not perfect here, but it's really I don't think it can be sharper than this. So it's much sharper. The lines are much finer than this. And I can use this one. This is a regular standard size pencil. Now I'll use the regular hole for this pencil. And I press it and spin it. I press it and spin it, and it's already looking pretty good. Now I'll just spin it a little bit without too much force, just to make the tip look nicer. So this is very quickly, it got a really sharp pencil tip. I was going to say nice, but I said the C in my mind, but I didn't write it on paper. Nice. Yeah, I like this one. It's much softer, much easier to write with. So this is how you sharpen a pencil with a knife, a pocket knife, or the pencil sharpener. You can use the pocket knife. You can use the pocket knife if you don't have a pencil sharpener, but it's much better to use a pencil sharpener. Use the right tool for this. And then these things, you can use them for something else. You can use them to start your barbecue. These things, you can use them for something else. You can use them for some kind of a soft material for something, or just throw them away. Thanks for watching.